Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast battery draining on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First, open Settings and go to Power Marathon. Here we have the battery settings. After we click on battery setting, we go to battery usage. Here we have the phone idle, so we can't do anything about it. Same goes for all the apps here. If you can't do that, go to App Management. Here we can go to the app list. Once we have the apps here, we want to make sure they're not using battery. After you click on battery usage here, click Restricted. Restrict battery usage while in background. You'll get a notification that the app may not work as expected and notifications may be delayed. From my experience, they will probably never come, so it's a 50-50 chance. This is a risk you have to take. If your battery is really draining fast, only do that for apps you don't need notifications from. Next, enable power saving mode. Go to Power Marathon. Here we have Ultra Power Saving or Power Boost. Enable Power Boost to add some battery. Remind to turn on Power Boost when battery is lower than 20%. You can turn it on automatically at 25% to preserve battery. Once we hit 25%, it will extend our battery. That's basically it. Here we also have the app that may be draining the battery, which is Facebook. We're going to extend battery life and it's hibernating the app. That's how it works. That's how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.